There is no need to convert this to x, y, because here we are simply trying to find looks like the outline of a peanut. That's the shape of the curve. You can calculate it or graph it using your calculator. We are going to simply find the length from 0 all the way up to 2 pi, so back where you started. We have we can easily find dr over d theta. Dr over d theta. What is the derivative of a constant with respect to theta? 0, 3 cosine 2 theta times 2, 6 cosine 2 theta. Good. Okay. Now the length from 0 to 2 pi square root 4 plus 3 sine 2 theta squared plus 6 cosine 2 theta d theta. If you are able to square, and that would be that's really good. If you are able to simplify this expression, sure, one can move forward and boil that out, but this expression is not going to simplify. Reason being, if you square that, you would get 9 sine squared 2 theta, and you can't combine that with this. It's not going to simplify, and you're just going to expand the term and make it lengthy. So the only way to solve this problem is to use use a calculator. It seems like TR-84 can do this directly. The function Fn derivative in polar mode works. So it seems like if you have it in polar mode, you can directly go to math over, or no, it's under math. Oops. Option number 9. And you can simply type that giant big expression. The newer version of the calculator makes it fancier. So square root, make sure you put the parentheses, and if you don't do that, you are going to make mistakes. 4 plus sine 2 theta, close parentheses, 1 more close parentheses, square, plus open group. You can type it as is, but I'm going to do open paren and put the derivative close paren squared. So 6 cosine 2 theta, close parentheses for the cosine term, close parentheses entirely for dr over d theta squared, close parentheses for the root. Good. Followed by theta, got to specify the variable, then the limits 0 and 2 pi. Good. It ends up
It took a while.
It will take a while. So, on an exam, I didn't say anything. So, f and n square root 4 plus sine 2 theta squared plus 6 cosine 2 theta squared. Seems like it can directly integrate in polar mode, and I'm.
That's a little off.
You forgot the 3 in front of
Yeah, there's
3 in front of
three
what?
sign.
The sign.
There's three. Sign is.
Oh, there is a 3, okay. Second, and there's a 3 there. Second is the first. Okay, it will take some time. So when you do web design, when you do on the exam, sometimes you just have to set up and leave it as is. If you get lucky, you will be able to integrate. Good. Well, since the holiday is coming up, if you like pie, when someone's baking that pie, look at that pie dish. Right? The outline of the top is a polar curve. Good. And think of calculus and do that homework. If you have questions, talk to me.